In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check a flight status online straight from your mobile. So we're going to start by heading over to an internet browser, and from a search engine, just type in flight tracker and hit enter. Now there's a bunch of different websites you can use to do this. The one that I like to use is this top one, flightradar24.com. So we're going to click on this, and then we can click on the search box in the top of the page. And the easiest way to check the status of a flight is just by entering the flight number. So if you do know the flight number, just go ahead and type it into this box here. So for example, the one that I'm going to be tracking is VIR45W. So if you want information about the flight that's currently in the air, then you can click on the live flights. If you want information about a previous or an upcoming flight, then you can click on this second navigation option over here. And as you can see, this will provide you more information about the flight. It will tell you things like if it's delayed or cancelled. Now, if you don't know the flight number, then what you can do instead is click on this search box and select flight by route. What we can do is actually search all flights for a particular location. So for example, I can search from London to Bangkok. And as you can see, this is another way to pull up flight information and to track a flight. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you check a flight status from your mobile. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.